Mr. Chris Choi. So yung iba, let's see next year, baka wala pa kasing feedback yung mga customer niyo. So as for today, as for this time, only this fabricator, we received comments, good feedback from them. So of course, in return, we have to acknowledge also those things. Okay? So we I took water. So when we call on Mr. Sunny and Mr. Yu to give the appreciation award. Sir? Mr. Anthony Sylvester, representing Anthony team. So congratulations, actually we received good feedback from the client, which is handling right now. So congratulations, Sir Anthony. So hopefully, hopefully next year, we receive same feedback from your client or from different clients.
Next.
Mr. Magno Arocan Jr., representing the Magno team. So congratulations, Mr. Magno. So again, we